Hey, this is Kyle. I just got done riding the Blizzard Quattro 8.0 Ti. It's an awesome ski if you're advanced to expert level skier looking for something to tackle the front side of the hill. It's 80 underfoot, so you got a nice solid platform really to handle any kind of chop or anything. 2 layers of metal, so it's super smooth, but it's got a lot of carbon in it too, and it's incredibly snappy. Held an edge pretty much perfectly. Really didn't have it sliding out at all when I needed it to hold up. Awesome ski.